What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds. And today we're going to be doing an installation video on a 2023 Honda HR-V, and what we're going to be installing is the FitcamX dash cam. Now right off the bat, we did an installation video on a Volkswagen and it was a great success, a very convenient installation, 4K Ultra HD, and check out all these conveniences that FitcamX dash cams. Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G-sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, and high dynamic range. And you can just drop an app right on your phone and control it from your phone. So it is very convenient. We've also been getting great feedback. If you guys do happen to watch our video and the installation process, and you guys do want to buy through our channel, we do offer a coupon code, and you guys do save some money, which you guys also help us out and support our channel, which we really appreciate that. Also, guys, if you guys are in Sacramento or in the greater Sacramento area, you guys want somebody to do this for you guys, I am more than happy and inclined to doing the installation for you guys. So just email us below if you want us to do that, or if you got something for us to film, email us and we could talk details later. A special shout out and a thanks again to FitcamX for providing this camera for this installation. Now let's go ahead and start. All right, so now sitting inside the HR-V for the installation video of the FitcamX, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box. So we're gonna open that so you guys get an idea. Just drop everything on the dashboard. And pretty much you got a instruction manual in multiple languages, and then you have the dash cam, which says it on the box, and then you have the accessories. So let's go ahead and pop this open. All right, and here goes your dash cam. Check that out, with SD card integrated, and you just press that SD card and it pops out. Very cool. And we're going to be installing this right here, right in front of that mirror. Let's go ahead and drop that in and show you guys. So the tools that they offer you guys to do this video, you pretty much have a plastic panel remover, which this is all you really need, but I brought my own because these are a little bit more heavy duty, a little bit bigger, and make the job easier. And some pics just to show you guys kind of an idea of how I install the videos. Install the camera in this video. And then you have, of course, your adapter piece that's going to adapt to your HR-V over to the FitcamX dash cam. All right. Now, what we're also going to be showing you guys is the USB 2.0. You get that with SD card integrated. So you just drop that SD card into your empty USB drive. Now, we're going to remove 3 panels total, okay? We're gonna remove this one, we're going to remove this one, and we're going to remove this one in the front. Pretty simple, easy, straight to the point. One thing I want you guys to notice or remember is when you're doing this job, don't be angry. Take your time and have finesse on this job itself. So what I'm going to be doing is, see these little 2 plastics here, you kind of see a slit down the middle. What you're going to do is you're going to detach those, very nice. And what I'm going to show you guys how. All right, so let me show you guys. Is you have, they go like this, all right? And you have one clip, and then clip here and a clip here. So what you're pretty much doing is you're just splitting these apart, and you want to be very careful because they're plastic and they're very sensitive plastic tabs, all right? So you just split it like that, all right? That opens up to us this panel here up top, and what you're going to be doing is there's 2 clips here, and you're going to drop this panel down and it slides back, okay? So let me show you guys, and you're going to feel like you're breaking it, or because it's very tough, but don't feel that way. So look, bring this down, make sure that you don't hit your mirror. All right, that was a very big pop. So you guys want to take that into consideration. And then a second pop. So that opens up to us this, and you're going to slide this back towards the back of the car. Slide it back. And then you have a plug here. You're going to have to remove that plug. And there's a little tab. See that tab right there? There's a little tab you're going to push down, and it's going to slide right out, just like that, okay? Put that on the dashboard. All right, make sure you don't scratch your dashboard. Okay, so next one we're going to remove is this panel. All right, and what you have is you have two clips here too also. Two different clips, one here, and you're gonna drop that down and it's gonna slide forward towards the windshield. One. Two, okay, that drops. And then it's going to slide forward, just like that. All right, and now you got a plug that holds this. The two clips are right here. That's what they look like. All right, you're gonna give a nice tug when you're dropping those clips. And then another tab, there's a tab right there, and you're gonna pull that plug out like that. One more plug here with another tab. It's like that. All right, and now we have everything undone. You can leave this on because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be already dropping this Y piece or this adapter piece. I call it the Y because it's in the shape of a Y. But what it does is it adapts to the car itself. Oops, okay. All right, this one. All right, and we are going to, this one's going to attach to the camera itself, and this one's going to attach to the car. Just like that. Now we're gonna plug that blue one in. You don't actually really have to pull that blue one out. Make sure. All right, and when you unplug this from the car, your lights are gonna shut off, okay? Don't get scared. You wanna also keep the car off because you don't want any error codes popping out. So keep car off, and remember, don't get scared if your lights turn off because you're unplugging this and they're all intertwined. Also, we're going to put this panel back, and you wanna tuck this plug in so you have space here, okay? You're gonna tuck it in the middle of this tray, and then you're gonna install it as you take it off. So you're gonna slide this back side on, and you're gonna run this plug over your top liner. Just like that. You wanna get a clean job, making sure nothing's sticking out. All right, and then see how I have it on flush? You wanna kind of make sure you got the feeling for those clips in the holes of the car, and you're giving it a nice push on both sides, and you'll hear a clip. Next one is we're going to reinstall this panel. And remember, make sure that this can reach your camera. Install this panel by plugging this plug back in and sliding. You have these two little, I would say, clips, and you're gonna leave that in for now. Actually, what we're gonna do, what we're going to do is bring this wire here and show you guys, make sure that this is going to be installed. All right, you plug that in, and you're gonna just support it with the box for now. Reason I did that is because once you plug it in, you're not gonna be able to pull that wire through. So keep the wire here, and then put this on. All right, slide it in. And then you're just gonna give a nice push. Make sure your clips are in, all right? And then you're gonna give a nice push. You're gonna hear a clip on both sides, all right? And now it's flush, all original with your camera integrated. What we're going to be doing is installing this, but make sure that your wire is not seen so you get a kind of clean look. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be detaching both sides of the camera, the plastic, And that's why I brought my little handy dandy pins, is to detach these. And you want to be very careful. And I'm going to show you why I'm doing this, because it just makes it easier. And there's one right here. Just like that. All right, and we're going to slide this one, this little clip, in that square up top. And make sure it clips. And you're gonna have to give it a nice little push, put some counter force on it. Just like that, you'll hear a big clip. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tuck this wire in, because I'm gonna come in over and put this second side on. You could also tuck that wire under this panel too, depending where you want that wire tucked in at. And then we're going to go ahead and install this one. All right, give it some counter force. All right. Clips in, make sure everything's lined up, nice and beautiful. All right, very sturdy, sits on very nice and well. It's not gonna fall off if you hit like a speed bump or anything. All right. All right, perfect. Now you have your FitcamX dash cam for your 2023 Honda HR-V, and you can install the app on your phone to manage the FitcamX. The SD card is on the passenger side, so if you ever need it, it's here on the right side. All right, guys, we appreciate your guys' support at our channel here at Vagabond Builds. Any comments, questions, concerns, leave in the comment section below. Remember, guys, if you guys do buy through our channel, it supports us and saves you guys some money. Coupon code is in the description below. Thanks, guys, for watching our channel. Stay tuned. We have more cool things coming.